Hi friends, welcome to a Tasty Tuesday video. Yay! Today we're going to be doing a fun recipe that is kind of like a family recipe, but I kind of made it my own. So we're going to be making homemade spaghetti sauce, and I'm going to be doing the vegetarian version of it. So if you do not want to eat meat or you don't want any animal product in it, then you will definitely love this recipe. But if you do want to add meat, you sure can. I also do add ground beef or ground turkey to this just to make it more hearty, and also just because our family does eat meat. So you do that and also add Parmesan cheese at the end, you know, whatever you want to do. But this is going to be a fun recipe that I am doing that is just going to be a vegetarian version of it because I make it incredibly hearty, like thick spaghetti sauce, tons of yummy stuff in it, and yeah, it's just very, very filling. So I want to give my big thank you to Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy for doing another Tasty Tuesday video with me. She's going to be doing something with her crock pot as well. Oh, did I not mention I'm making this in a crock pot, so you can learn how to make this and just let it cook while you're at work or while you're out running errands, or if you want to do something really quick, you just do it for a couple hours and on high, you know, whatever you want to do. But I love crock pot meals, especially in fall, and fall has just started. Right now it's actually going to be 80 degrees today in the Northwest, which is really weird and sunny because normally it's always downpouring. So I'm surprised that it is actually going to be super sunny and pretty hot for the later end of September over here in the Pacific Northwest. So I'm okay with that though, because I love the sunshine as well. But I also love the cozy crock pot meals you can do. So I'm going to be doing some crock pot meals, and so is Rachel for the fall season. We might throw in some other recipes as well for you guys, but I hope you do enjoy them anyways. So let's get to making my version of a very hearty but vegetarian version of a spaghetti sauce. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. Alright, so I'm just using my smaller crock pot. If I use my bigger one, I'd probably add more tomato sauce in it and maybe some meat as well. But I'm just using my regular size crock pot. What I'll be using is 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 can of non-drained diced tomatoes, and then 1 small can of Hunt's tomato paste. I'll be also using 3 different seasonings: Italian seasoning, garlic pepper seasoning, and some basil leaves. I'll also be using a small can of drained, cut up mushrooms, and also a can of chopped olives. What I also like to use is chopped up zucchini and chopped up cabbage. I think it adds a lot to it. It makes it more hearty. So if you want it to cook all day, just keep it on low, but I'm going to be cooking this pretty fast, so I'm going to put it on high. Now to add the ingredients. First, I'm going to add the 2 cans of tomato sauce. And now I will be adding the non-drained can of diced tomatoes. I don't drain them. And now to add the small can of Hunt's tomato paste, just to make it a little bit thicker. And now for the drained can of cut up mushrooms. And now let's add the small can of chopped black olives. Now I normally also add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, but I didn't have any on stock, so I did not add it to this recipe. And now to chop up the cabbage.
lost for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not.
And now for a good rinsing. And now let's add the cabbage. And I'm not going to be using all of that chopped up cabbage that you saw me chop up. I'm actually going to only use about half of it, just because I chopped up a little too much for this size of a crock pot.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
All right, I also chopped up the zucchini. Now to put some in the crock pot. I'm putting about 3/4 of the zucchini in there.
Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah.
All right, so now let's start adding some seasoning. I'm just going to eyeball it to my liking, and you can do the same thing. All right, now to put the lid on it and let it cook for about 2 hours on high. And if you're doing it on low, do it for about 4 to 5 hours. So this is what it should look like. You could always cook it a little bit longer if the cabbage and the zucchini is not cooked to your liking. You can always cook it a little bit longer. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And of course, you can add meat and cheese, whatever you'd like. All right, guys, so here it is on the plate. It's very, very hearty, very thick, full of vegetables and all this good stuff. I cannot wait to dig in, but I will be adding some Parmesan cheese to mine. I am not a major vegetarian. I do eat meat occasionally, so I am kind of like a jack vegetarian. But I do like to have plenty of vegetables in my diet, and I think this just turns out incredibly yummy. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy this recipe that I created. Now, like I said earlier, I do usually add some minced garlic in there, so you can definitely add that too. But this time I didn't do it because I didn't have it on hand. I hate when that happens. But I hope you did enjoy this recipe, and try it out if you'd like, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. All right, guys, head over to Rachel's channel and watch what she's cooking in her crock pot, because I know it's going to be delicious, and I know it's going to be very entertaining, and I'm sure I'm going to want to make it myself. So you guys head on over there. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, because we could use some more subscribers. We love you guys. We love having friends and love sharing all these recipes with you guys and our other videos as well. So definitely like and subscribe to both of us. We'd love it, and stay a while. So I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more to come. All right, bye.